Welcome to section 6 part 4, which is going to be, we're going to add the header menu. So we're not going to be able to complete the header menu at this stage because we'll need to create the all other pages first. But what we're going to do is we're going to add most of it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on the plus icon up here to click add container. And we're going to click on plus, and we're going to add 3. Now what we're going to do is we're all going to make these the same width, which should be, that's interesting. Is there an option to add 3 equal containers just to make things easier? It's fine. We'll just add this one. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to set the width to 33% by clicking on the column icon and clicking on width. Cool. So the first one's going to be just an image. This one's going to be a mega menu, which we'll be going into later, and this is just going to be a button. So what we're going to do is the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make the width of this full width. So uses up the full width of the section. And what we're going to do is we're going to add an image. So this one's going to be an image. And we're going to click on choose. And we're going to use this logo here, the logo text. And you'll see that's been added. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on medium and click on center. We're going to go to style. Where is it? We're going to go to, click on this for a second. Column width, full width. I think it's the height attribute. Let's have a look. Height default. Because we want this to be, we don't want this to be the entire. So I think the easiest way to do this is just set a minimum height, which we'll say as column width, column height. So that's going to be medium, which is fine because that's what it's supposed to be. Now we're just going to set the height, so we'll change it to 30 pixels, 45. We'll leave that. Just need to make this smaller. Okay, that's center. Center. So we're going to click on layout, justify content, click on center, then align items and click on center. Okay. Yes, okay, that is the correct width. Okay, it just looks bigger. It just looks different because I put it up here. If I was to make this, yes, okay, cool. That's fine. You can just leave it the way that it is. Don't need to set the minimum height. And then what we're going to do is this is going to be a mega menu, a nav menu, sorry. So we're just going to click on nav menu. We're just going to add it for now. We'll just leave that there because we'll need to create a menu, which we'll do later. And then the next one's going to be just a button. This button's going to be a little bit different because it's going to be, we're going to type in the button. So we're going to click on the text here. It's going to be schedule a call, which we call a call to action in the online marketing space because we're trying to get the customer to do something. So the word schedule a call. We're going to make it center lined and we're going to go to style. Click on color, and we're going to change the color to primary. And that is our menu setup so far. And don't forget, click update when you're done making changes. And in the next section, we're going to create a footer. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this the way that it is now. And we're going to create the footer in the next section, moving on now.